All right, what's up, Valor Collectors? We have the three tins, the Galarian Birds, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. Let's open up these bad boys and see what we get. All right, Valor Collectors, we're going to start with the Moltres side first. The tin that had the Moltres promo card. Let's see what we get. And honestly, I'm not going to say any chase card. I'm just pretty much going to put the energy out there for whatever comes my way. Fighting. We got Pincurchin, Bisharp, Execute, Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc, Chatot, Parallel Patch'em, we'll take them, Gumshoes. So nothing too crazy for the first pack of Moltres tin. I don't know why I opened it up off of camera, but whatever. 1, 2, 3. Psychic. Oh, grass. Luxio. Meditang. Shaman. Wooloo. Shinx. Patch'em. Snorunt. Ponyard. Parallel Shaman, we'll take it. Zerora. We don't need that one. Come on, Valor Collectors. Let's get it. We're opening this up aggressively. 1 and a 2 and a 3. V-Star. Let's go water. Nope, we're going to go double. Swablu! Let's go! We'll take it, ladies and gentlemen. I thought it was going to be a bust. That's what I get for assuming. Okay, we'll take that little Swablu. Something is better than nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do 1 and a 2 and a 3. Let's go fire. No, Electric City. We're going to go Lunatone, Soul Rock. Oh. Lost Vacuum. Hello. Saladit, Purloin, Gruben, Skrelp, Helioptile, Parallel Larvesta. Let's go! Hatteran V. We'll take it, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. We're going to go to our second stack, which is from our second tin of Zapdos. So let's see what we get here. This is our first pack from that tin. Oh, we're going to put that there. We're going to go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a fire. Nope, second. Okay. We're going to go Luxio. We're going to go Trek and Shoes, Shaman, Yungoos, Shirobi, Execute, Rockruff, Purloin, Switch Parallel. We need that one. Kyogre V. Oh my god, I think I just picked this up. Oh, that's a great pull, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. You see, I gotta be patient. And sometimes I'm not. So, it's the name of the game. It is what it is. Obviously, you would want pack fresh versus used. But who am I to complain? Fighting. Nope, metal. Let's go Carnivine, Girafarig, Energy Switch, Wilmer, Shinx, Corfish, Ponyard, Seal. Let's go! Electivire! Oh man, the Galarian Gallery. Beautiful card, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! The Zebazeta! We got a double hit, bro. Let's go! We got a double hit. The Zapdos tin is not disappointing, ladies and gentlemen. Zapdos, hello. We'll take you, Zappy. You little bugger. 1 and a 2 and a 3. And let's go grass. No, water. I'll take water. Lunatone. We got Soul Rock, Rare Candy, Aaron, Riolu, Starly with the homies, Scyther Choppin', Emolga, Parallel Calyrex. That is beautiful. I like that artwork. Scizor. It is what it is. If it wasn't for that one pack thus far, that one pack with a double hit, that was awesome. We'll take that any day, Valor Collectors. So, let's see if we get something else here. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a dark. Nope, grass. Lunatone. Rescue Carrier. Salazazazazel. Snowrun. Larvesta. Tangela. Baltoy. Meowth. Galarian. Zorora VMAX. Let's go! Oh, man. That is a beautiful card. Did we get a double banger? No, we didn't. Yanmega. Oh, I almost dropped it. Beautiful card. OMG, bro. That's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. We're down to the last pack magic. Articuno can be the sleeper 10. Moltres was horrible to me. Zapdos has been great to me. Can Articuno top that? Let's go, Articuno duo. Whatever, bro. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, fire. Nope, fighting. Okay, we got Leiron. We got the friends in Shinu or Sinol, whatever. Galarian, Mr. Mime, Sunkern. We got Coughing. Oddish just jumping around. Saladin. Bisharp. Parallel. Oranguro. Whatever, dude. All right, Valley Collectors. Let's go. We're down to our last 3 packs. Can we get some pack magic? Can we get something out of this world? I want to, but I don't know if it's going to happen, bro. Let's see. Stay positive. Dark Energy. Pokemon Catcher. Pichurini. Rare Candy. Riolu. Starly. Scyther. Pokeball. Young Goose. Let's go! We got Grant, bro. Let's go! Yes! Dude, Crown Zenith is not disappointing. Oh, man. Wow. I've been sitting on these tins for like 6 months, bro. So, yeah, it's worth opening. Let's go, Valor Collectors. Electric. Yo! We're on a good one. Let's see. Come on, Crown Zenith. Give me a banger, bro. Imagine if you give me Giratina, bro. Metatang. Graveler. Stupid Pawniard. Oh, I already see something. Rockruff. Aaron. Swablu again? How? Oh my goodness. Panguro. I just hit my damn tripod. Last pack magic. Can I get Giratina? I'm being a little, I guess, greedy now since it's down to the wire. Let's go, Valor Collectors. A 1 and a 2 and a 3. Giratina, come on, come on, come on, come on. Great Ball. Trekking Shoes. Luxio. Energy Search. Gruben. Skrelp. Wooloo. Heleptile. Riolu. Zycan Holographic. Valid Collectors, that's what we got for you. Grass Energy is the last thing. Thank you for following. Please subscribe, like, comment. I'm just trying to show you what I get, guys. Valid Collectors, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.